Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to LeadLog. Today, in this video, I will teach you about the LCK series of test methods from Hawk. Here I have one example. This is a cuvette test for chloride and this is from Hawk, and the name of this test or the number of this test is LCK311. Make sure that whenever you want to order any LCK series, make sure to read about the test range, because LCK311 is only for the range of 1 to 1000 milligram per liter of chloride. So before you order any LCK cuvette test, you must make sure about the range of the test method. Once you will open this box, you will see there are too many cuvettes inside the box, and on the top of the label you can see here the 3 steps method how to check chloride by LCK311 test kit. So this is how you can know about your test method. But if you want to download it from your Hawk website, so in this video you will know about it. Let me tell you one more thing. LCK cuvette test are more accurate and it give you more trusted results than any other test method. So let's go to the screen to download the test method. I will go to the search engine. I will write here Hawk. Then I will go to Hawk UK. This is the main page of Hawk website. I will go to the main menu, and from this main menu I will go to the products, and from the products I will go to the chemistries, reagents and standards. From here, the third option is LCK cuvette test system. So on this page, you can know the general overview of the LCK series, and also you can know about each individual test from LCK. For example, this is the ammonium cuvette test, and the range of the test is 0.015 to 2 milligram per liter, and it have a 25 test in one kit. So this is how you can know about each method. But right now I want to download LCK test method for 311. I want to download LCK method for chloride. So it's hard to find here. I can search here on the main tab as well. LCK. If you don't know the number, it's not a big issue. You can directly write chloride. I will enter. Then you will go to downloads. And from the downloading tabs, we'll go down until you will have a method, because I want to know about the method. I will go to the methods, and then this is the method that I want, LCK311 chloride. I will click on this. Now it's being downloaded. I will open it. Look, this is finally we got the LCK311 chloride test method, and here is all the information regarding your test. And let me tell you one more thing, that in this test you can perform with 2 different ranges. So they have the test method in this document for both of the ranges, procedure measuring range 1 and the other one is procedure measuring range 2. You can go to the top. The first one is range 1 is 1 to 70 milligram per liter, and the range 2 is 70 to 1000 milligram per liter. So this is how you can download and you can know all about the LCK test methods. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please keep sharing.